Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So, you have been probably waiting too long for an Amazon refund. If you want your money back fast, this is the best way, or the best option, since Amazon gift card refunds are usually processed way quicker, and you can use them instantly on your next order. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to refund to a gift card in Amazon Shopping in 2026 using our devices, basically laptop or desktop, it doesn't really matter. Let's get started. So first thing first, go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way and look for Amazon.com. Then tap on the link, use your email address and password to access your account. It's time now to go to My Orders and Returns. So here, you will be able to see the orders you have placed in the last 3 months. Go to the order you want to return or replace, tap on it, then choose your return reason and continue. When asked for the refund method, select Amazon gift card, then confirm the return to finish. As for some more tips, gift card refunds are often instant after Amazon receives the item. They are perfect if you shop on Amazon regularly, so if you are basically using Amazon for every purchase, every subscription, everything, you will be needing them gift cards. You won't need to wait for bank processing delays, so don't really worry about that. And that's how you refund to a gift card on Amazon. Fast, simple, and no waiting on your bank. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.